As I was walking down the street one day,